in the quiet mountains of Japan, where mist rolls gently across the green fields, a simple leaf has carried centuries of wisdom, healing, and ritual. This leaf Camellia sinensis becomes something extraordinary when transformed into fine, vibrant, green powder. We know it today as matcha, but matcha isn't just a drink. It's a story of patience, tradition, and the blending of nature with mindfulness. And in today's video, we'll uncover its journey, its benefits, and why it has become one of the most powerful wellness drinks in the world. Welcome to Complete Comfort and Lasting Wellness, the place where we dive deep into the foods, habits, and ancient practices that bring balance to the body and peace to the mind. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and join our growing community of wellness seekers. Together, we're building a life of health, harmony, and lasting comfort. Step 1. The origins of matcha is not just another type of green tea. It is a Japanese tradition rooted in Zen Buddhism and the samurai way of life. The journey begins with the same tea, Plant Camellia sinensis, but the method of growing and preparing it is what makes matcha unique. 3 weeks before harvest, farmers cover the tea plants with shade cloths. This reduces direct sunlight and forces the leaves to produce more chlorophyll and amino acids, especially the result is a richer color, a smoother flavor, and a powerful boost in nutrients. Step 2. The art of preparation after harvest. The leaves are steamed to preserve their bright green hue, then carefully dried and stripped of stems and veins. What remains is called tencha, which is then ground between granite stones into an ultrafine powder. This process is slow, taking up to 1 hour to produce just 30 grams of matcha. The grinding is done so gently that the leaves never overheat, ensuring their flavor and health benefits remain intact. When prepared, matcha is whisked in hot water using a bamboo whisk called a. This transforms the fine powder into a frothy, emerald green drink. Unlike regular tea, where you steep and discard the leaves. Step 3. The health benefits. Matcha is often called a superfood, and for good reason. Modern science confirms what ancient traditions already knew. Antioxidants. Matcha is loaded with particularly EGCG, which protect the body from free radicals and support healthy skin. Calm, focus. Thanks to LPN, and matcha promotes relaxation while keeping the mind alert. That's why Buddhist monks used it during meditation, and samurai warriors drank it for calm energy before battle. Boosted metabolism. Matcha helps the body burn calories more efficiently, making it a natural support for weight management. Heart health. It may help lower cholesterol and support overall cardiovascular wellness. Nutrient-rich, packed with vitamin C, selenium, chromium, zinc, and magnesium minerals, essential for immunity and balance. Step 4. How to use matcha today. Traditionally, matcha is enjoyed in a simple tea ceremony, but today, it has found its way into modern kitchens worldwide. You can add matcha powder, too. Lattes for a creamy, energizing drink. Smoothies for a nutrient-rich boost. Baking recipes such as cakes, muffins, or cookies. Even savory dishes and sauces for a unique twist. By experimenting with matcha, you can enjoy its benefits while adding creativity to your diet. Step 5. Warnings and balance. Like all powerful foods, matcha should be consumed in balance because it contains caffeine. Too much can cause jitters or disrupt sleep. Experts recommend limiting yourself to 2 to 3 cups per day, preferably in the morning or early afternoon. When enjoyed in moderation, matcha becomes not only a source of energy, but also a tool for mindfulness. Preparing it slowly, whisking it carefully, and sipping it with intention turns drinking tea into a form of meditation. Conclusion. At its core, matcha is more than just green tits, a reminder of balance, patience, and presence. Every cup carries a tradition that began in the mountains of Japan and now connects people around the world. So, the next time you hold a warm bowl of matcha in your hands, take a deep breath. And remember, you're not just drinking tea, you're drinking centuries of wisdom, nature, and peace. Thank you for joining us today on Complete Comfort and Lasting Wellness. If you found value in this journey, give this video a like, subscribe for more, and share it with someone who needs a little calm energy in their life. Until next time, stay healthy, stay balanced, and may you always enjoy complete comfort and lasting wellness.